Oh man, that's a whole lot bigger. Goodness. Don't go under. Ooh. Then we hung into another one. Looks like another small brim. You're going to expect that in this little creek. But I know there got to be a few bigger fish here. Hung in another brim. There we go. Another brim. Nothing any size, but I'll let him go. Maybe we'll get one out of there big enough. We're gonna fish just a few more minutes and I think we'll move on down and see if we can find some bigger fish. Oh, that's a little bit bigger brim. Not a great big one, but it's a little bigger than the other one. See if we can get back in there and maybe we don't catch anything any size. There we go. A little peg. We'll move on down. That's a little somewhat bigger. A little bit bigger than still ain't as big as what we'd like to find. See if we can get something a little bigger out there. It's about creek fishing. If you're looking to catch real big fish, you're in the wrong place. Every once in a while you get a pretty nice fish, but you're gonna have to weed through a lot of small ones. I'm gonna try this hole just a little bit longer. There we go. Still another small one. That little hole's pretty productive. It's nothing big. There we go. That's a little bigger one. Somewhat bigger. Maybe we can get it out. There we go. That's about the size. Maybe we'll get some somewhat bigger than this. Just move that around maybe. There he is. There we got something. Oh man, that's a whole lot bigger. Goodness. Don't go under. Ooh. And you got, I think, 4-pound test line, so I can't house it. I figured there'd be something bigger under there. Golly. Oh yeah. Whoa. We're trying to get it out of here. All they can do. That could be. Oh goodness. Trying to get back out of them. It's a fight in a small creek. Trying to get him up here where I'm. Ooh. This thing ain't got about 4 or 6 pound test, so can't do too much with him. Oh God, don't go. If I'm working my, oh, don't go down. Got a little bitty hook. If we can toss him in here, maybe. Whew. Don't do that. Well, gonna come down here to see if I can catch supper, something to eat. That's definitely big enough. We're gonna put her on a stringer, a little bitty hook. Ain't no great big fish, but it was definitely a good fight. Jeez. It's a pretty big brim. It's pretty. I'm trying to catch catfish today and eat. Oh goodness. Well, hook's got him. Golly. Let's let him go. Maybe we're going to pull into another catfish in a minute, but that's a decent one there. That's a pretty decent one. For creek fishing. They sure pretty up. Let him go. Felt like I got a nibble there. There he is. That's a fair-sized brim there. We're still trying to find us one more catfish. Well, I hate to do it, but he's gonna have to be eat. He swallowed it. He wasn't quite as big as I wanted to catch, but we're gonna put him on a stringer because he swallowed the hook. Well, we put that little brim on the stringer because he swallowed it. Maybe we'll try to get them before they do that, maybe. That's what I want to do, catch them. before they swallow it. Get in there. Yeah, we're gonna ease on out of here. We did get these little catfish, and I had to keep that little brim because it swallowed the hook. So we're gonna fry them up here in a little bit. This is our creek fishing video for food. Didn't know I wanted to get a little catfish or decent size, something other to fillet up out of that creek, so it worked out pretty good. Appreciate everybody watching the videos, and thanks for the subscribers, and thanks for the likes, and if you would like it, and thank you. Yeah, we here at the house. We got this couple fish. We fixing to fry ourselves some catfish, fillet it up, and yeah, we're getting it started. Got these catfish, not one little brim filleted up. I'm about to get it frying up here. Get that little brim and that fair-sized little catfish out of that creek. It's gonna be pretty fresh. I'll see how they cook up here in a little bit. Coming along there. Looking pretty good. Yeah, I decided to make me a couple catfish fillet sandwiches. Fresh from the little creek. So we're gonna see how it tastes. I appreciate y'all watching, and appreciate my subscribers and each and everyone that's watching. I ask you to please like the videos and share them, and trying to get better at them, and I do appreciate you watching. Thank you.